Can I put this inside? Wash? Let me wash it. Take money. Takes a few minutes. Right? Quicker before he came here. It's Paddy. Yeah, Paddy. Huy, it's been almost 4 weeks, my nails. I mean, yeah. Oh, like it. I put the red on it. It's good. It's kind of like, it's nice to scratch it in the back. Yeah. Yeah, we write it as third part. Third part. TikTok universe, right? If you send me TikTok universe, you are my number one. Number one. And I will treat you like my boyfriend. Huh? I'm just joking, huh? I was just joking. Don't take it serious with that. But if you really want to do that, yeah, right. For just couple months, not the whole year, huh? Unless if you're being, ayan, exam sa akong underarm. To be a moderator. Right? Quicker. Hey guys, I'm going to my, maybe one day. Who would like to be my sponsor of my underarms? Everything's sponsored. Who would like to be my moderator? I mean, sponsor to my underarms. Dali na. Dali na. Oh, wala, Jud. Wife, wife. Oh no. Hey, quicker. I know you always run away when I say about the sponsor. Oh, come on. That's why I don't fix my hairs though, because I know you're not gonna do it. And even to Ryan, to Ryan, right to Ryan, to Ryan, to Ryan also. I think I remember. I went to nail polish. As the Ryan said, I was asking him, can you be my mother sponsor? He said, okay. In the next live, he's gone. Then he's coming back right now. Diba? Answer ko sa dapita dali no. Okay. You make a great wife. Oh, more than that. No. Oh, thank you. Even though it's cold. I mean, I have one jacket, but oh, thank you, Ryan. I appreciate it talaga, Ryan. Yeah, nice. Nice, yeah. I like it. That's good for your stretch marks. Oh, and what is that? Scratching when you are around around around. Don't move. Don't move. I'm gonna destroy my nail. Is that red or it looks like a pink? It's like when one coat is looks pink. I like it. Mm. Hold on. Let's see. That is really nice. Why? If you like it, you will be my sponsor. You're gonna like it, this. Hold on. Hold on, honey. Almost. Nice. It's really cold outside. Why you guys so quiet? Say it. Oh my god, my moderators be quiet. Say it. Be active, everybody. Oh, this is my makeup. The other side, no makeup. I mean, no shadow. Oh my god, you guys so quiet. Moderator bashing. Oh, we're not bashing you guys. I didn't bash you. I said active for comment. I'm not saying you don't have to give a gift. Just be active for comment. My God, look at that. The people they're gone. Be responsible, huh? Mm-mm. They're hit. I know, but if you start to comment kind of like that, people they will comment too. They're shy to comment. They're shy to comment because you're not. You have to, you have to ask something. Ask something to Jen. Right, so Ryan? Ryan, you better not leave me here. You better not leave me here. Everybody's wearing a sweater. I'm the only wearing like this. Talking shit now. Huh? What? Who's talk shit? Mason. Mason. What are you talking about? Buang, eh?